What's going on, guys? So we are not in a Tesla. We're actually on our way to pick up an engine. So I think we found a good one. I think we found a keeper. We're gonna go check it out and see what the deal is. So all that matters is, you know, as long as the inside is good, I think we'll be okay. We're gonna be doing a rebuild anyways. So yeah, super excited. We're gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give it a look. We got about 30 minutes, so we'll keep you guys posted.
Strap it and keep it, dude.
Alright.
Here. Shot's bad. You want me to start caulking?
As you guys can see, we found her. Look at that. So, LQ4 and had 209,000 miles. It was about 40 minutes from here. So overall, it was a very good deal. There's nothing wrong with the engine as far as we can see. We turned, we rotated the crank, so nothing's locked up, so we're good there. We do have one issue right now that we're not gonna worry about just yet. So the headers, I removed the headers. They're over there in the bin. So the headers themselves, we did look for broken studs. On this side, there was actually 2 broken studs. So one I managed to break loose, and the other one is broken flush to the cylinder head. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to drill through it and see if we can pull that out. So yeah, for today's video, we're gonna work on tearing this engine apart. So heads are coming off, everything's coming down to the bare block. So just quick status update on the Rocket Bunny. So Justin, he actually got to sanding. So he took a lot of these rough edges off. So those are now sanded smooth. We still need to do a lot of work. Unfortunately, our side skirts were somehow shipped from Chicago to Ohio. They were supposed to arrive yesterday, but I think there was some sort of like issue there, and they were sent to the wrong location, wrong warehouse. So we're supposed to get them on Tuesday now. So that's on hold. But yeah, we have this to work on, and let's go ahead and get started.
Perfect.
All right, guys, so we got all of the pistons out, heads are off, and it's pretty much down to the bare block. So all that's left on the block is the crankshaft, but we didn't remove that because I don't have a puller to get this pulley off. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and then once that's off, removing the chain, getting the camshaft out, and we should be all set. Once we get everything removed, we're gonna go ahead and send in the block for hot tanking, and same thing with the heads, just to get them prepped. And tonight I'm gonna work on ordering some parts. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe, and be sure to follow us on Instagram as well. We're starting to get the hang of it, starting to post pictures like every other day, starting to do a little bit of videos. So yeah, thanks guys. See you guys next time.
That was perfect. Right. Like right.